Hello students. See, when you keep on preparing for UPSC, many people will keep on telling you that what is your plan B? If plan A is UPSC, what is your plan B? But according to me, or rather than plan B, we have plan B, plan C, plan D, plan D, E and plan Z also. These many plans are already there. But if you want to make these plans work out, plan A should get worked out. Are you confused? Yes, I can understand. But actually your UPSC preparation helps in cracking of more than 25 government exams. Believe me, I'll show you with proofs how if you can prepare for UPSC, remaining government exams are cakewalk for you. So when it comes to the reality check, you need to understand only 0.2% of the candidates will clear the UPSC. And the success rate in the state PCs is 1 to 5%. Remaining government exams is 2 to 8%. And when you see 60 to 70% of the syllabus will overlap with state PSCs, 50 to 60% with SSC CGL, and 70% with CAPF and AFCAT. Because same questions, same question patterns, same concept. Now, look at this table very carefully. How the competitive exams, different competitive exams will take the inputs from the UPSC. You can see the state PSC. State PSC 60 to 70% is the same. Then CAPF, this has the highest overlapping with UPSC syllabus, 70 plus overlap with UPSC syllabus. And IFS, you know, the Indian Foreign Service or the Forest Service, 80%. Then AFCAT, 60 to 65%. Then SSC CGL, 50 to 60%. RBI Grade B, 55%. EPFO, 65%. Nabard, 60%. That means if you take the average of this, 60% of the UPSC syllabus will help you crack remaining government exams. Now, to show you some examples, I have the examples also. You know the foundation part of it. In the UPSC, you study different subjects, history, geography, polity, economy, environment, science and technology. All these things you'll study, current affairs, ethics, Indian society, all these things you'll study. Look at how they will match with the remaining exam. 70%, 80, 85, 75, 60 and 65. Now look, we come to the CAPF, which is again conducted by the UPSC. It has 70% closeness with the UPSC. And you see the syllabus part of it. General ability, Indian history, geography, Indian politics. The same things are present in UPSC also, right? Now comes the next part. Staff Selection Commission, SSC CGL. SSC CGL will have 4 tiers. And you know it. First tier is objective, second tier is also objective plus descriptive, third tier is descriptive, fourth tier is a skill test. And what is the syllabus? General awareness. 25% will be the same UPSC syllabus. Reasoning, 25% from CSAT. Quantitative aptitude, 25%. English comprehension, 25%. So, general awareness part, 60% is covered by the UPSC syllabus. In the reasoning, CSAT will be covered. Only which minimum help you can find in quants and English comprehension. Now comes the next one. RBI Grade B, SEBI, NABARD, EPF, all these exams. You see the RBI Grade B. You know, we have the Indian economy which will study 50% overlap with RBI Grade B. In the Indian economy, we will study different finances, taxation policies, fiscal policy, 20% overlap. Banking operations is the new content which you need to study for RBI Grade. NABARD also. Agriculture Bank. Agriculture as a topic, you will study in economy also, you will study in geography also. So 60% overlap. Rural development, 70% overlap. Economics, 50% overlap. New part is rural finance, which you need to study. EPFO, we have the labor laws, which is 80% UPSC overlap. And we have social security schemes, 60%, economic 50%. Complaint laws is the one new content which you need to study. Now, what are the advantages of UPSC and what are the limitations? Advantages means 60% of the coverage of UPSC syllabus, you can find it in different government exams. And you know the social security, current affairs, all these things. And there are some banking specific, domain specific things, which is the additional part which you need to study rather than the UPSC syllabus. Now, what you don't need to study in the different government exams. State PSC, you don't need to study international relations in depth, which is present in UPSC. World history, you don't need to study. Global economic systems, you don't need to study. National, everything you can study. SSC CGL also, you don't need to go for deep analysis, ethical analysis. Long form writing, you don't need to have. Optional subject, you didn't need to get it. Detailed economic theories, you don't need. So this is how you need to prepare for different government exams. Now, how should be your preparation while you are preparing for UPSC? The first phase of preparation, 100% give your dedication for UPSC. Until UPSC mains syllabus is completed, fully stick on to UPSC only. Then second year, continue the UPSC preparation, but go for targeted quant practice for SSC CGL, or read one article per week related to defense or remaining exams. No extra work, only 30 minutes per day. Then third, if cleared UPSC interview, focus on the UPSC. If not, focus on the remaining 2 to 3 months, the government exam preparation. Simultaneously, you can do three things. Along with 70%, 2 to 3 backup exams you can have, and you can keep on preparing the same notes, same examples, same things. Now, wrong mindset into winning mindset. I can only prepare for UPSC. This is a wrong mindset. You should prepare for the multiple exams along with UPSC. If I don't crack UPSC, I have failed. No, UPSC is my first choice. I have 5 to 6 backup options with me. Then 3 years of preparation wasted if no UPSC success. My 3 years of preparation opens door for more than 10 plus government exams. Then I should quit if UPSC doesn't work. If UPSC doesn't work, I am ready to do the state PCS. I am ready to go for CAPF. Other exams are not backup. They are alternatives with equally good careers. So this is what you can do. What is the plan of action you need to realize that UPSC preparation is for the multiple exams. Strategize at least 30 minutes per day. Prepare for the other government exams. Diversify your preparation. Confidence. UPSC is not failure. It is the opening door for remaining government exams. Execute the backup plans. Final statement. UPSC alternative is not plan B. It is plan A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. All this. The main aim of you is to crack the government exam. That's where UPSC syllabus will help you to crack different government exams. So this is how UPSC preparation can help you to crack the multiple government exams.